Owen found a piece of popcorn and he's sweeping it with his sweeper. Say, sweep, sweep, Owen. Good job, baby. Oh, where'd it go? It got stuck in your broom. Look, there it is. Oh, go sweep it. Go sweep it.
The coffee machine's still broken. It was on Friday and I couldn't change it.
I filled out a $16 repair authorization about this equipment for $200, but I never heard back.
Man, this guitar is ancient.
Such a good boy helping mommy clean the floor. Ooh, sweep, sweep. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Good job, baby.